Many business owners feel overwhelmed and pressed for time, constantly battling a never-ending to-do list. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in work with no time for the important needle movers that can actually grow your business, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Samantha, here to help you organize and systemize your business operations so that you can save time and mental energy and focus on what you love to do in your business. Today, I'm going to talk about a common issue many successful business owners face, feeling like they have no time. I'll help you figure out why you're struggling and what you can do to help yourself. First, the reasons you feel like you have no time. So the first reason is an overwhelming workload. Running a business is a huge amount of work. You're wearing multiple hats, from manager to admin assistant to tech support, all while trying to stay focused on the core work you love. It's no wonder that the workload feels so overwhelming. When I first started my business, I had no idea the amount of work that was involved. I just knew I wanted to help people. I'm sure you can relate to all the different types of work involved, from creating graphics for social media to bookkeeping. It's all across the board. At times, you are working long hours, but still feel like you're not making progress on the things that truly matter. Working like this in your business is exhausting and unsustainable, and it doesn't need to be this way. So let me know in the comments if you relate to this. Okay, so the second reason you feel like you have no time is because of inefficient processes or no documented processes. So without efficient processes in place, every task takes longer than it should. And if you don't have documented processes or templates, it's challenging to maintain consistency and quality. Now, I've worked with clients who were constantly reinventing the wheel. They had no standard operating procedures, which meant they had to figure out their processes from scratch every time they did a recurring task. This not only wasted time, but also led to mistakes and frustration. Okay, so the third reason you feel like you have no time is because you don't know how to delegate effectively, or you aren't delegating at all. So many business owners struggle with delegation. They either don't know how to delegate effectively, or they're hesitant to let go of control. As a result, they end up doing everything themselves, which can lead to burnout. I worked with a client who hired a VA but didn't provide clear instructions or feedback. The work wasn't up to their expectations, so they ended up redoing everything themselves. It was a classic case of ineffective delegation, which only added to their workload in the end. Okay, the fourth reason why you are feeling like you have no time in your business is because you struggle to take breaks or time off. So many business owners find it hard to take breaks or time off. They feel like they always need to be working to keep the business running smoothly. This constant grind can quickly lead to burnout. So personally, I used to feel guilty about taking breaks, thinking that every moment away from work was a missed opportunity. Honestly, I still do sometimes, but I know that taking regular breaks and time off actually makes me more productive and creative when I am working. Okay, so how do we address these issues? So the answer lies in creating and implementing effective systems. So systems are standardized procedures that streamline your operations, improve efficiency and productivity, save time and mental energy, and make it easier to delegate or hire new team members, and reduce stress and burnout. Implementing reliable systems can be a game changer for you if you feel like you have no time. With systems, you start each day with a clear plan, knowing exactly what tasks need to be accomplished and in what order. No more wasting time figuring out what to do next or dealing with scattered workflows. For example, by implementing systems for content creation, you can cut your production time in half. I have templates for my YouTube workflow, blog posts, and email marketing, which means I don't have to start from scratch every time. This not only saves me time, but also ensures consistency across all my content. Systems not only save you time and mental energy, but also make it easier to delegate tasks or onboard new team members. When everyone knows exactly what needs to be done and how to do it, the entire team can work more efficiently and effectively. This reduces your workload and stress levels, allowing you to focus on the higher level tasks that drive your business forward. Now, one of the key tools I use to create and run my systems is Asana. Asana is my central hub for managing all my business operations. It helps me to keep track of tasks, deadlines, team members, and projects all in one place. If you're feeling overwhelmed and need help setting up your systems, I have created a resource for you called Asana Essentials. In this toolkit, I walk you through how to use Asana to streamline your operations, improve productivity, and save time. I'll show you my exact workflows and techniques that have transformed my business while providing you with the templates I've developed from my own business and from working with my clients. This toolkit is essential to taking control of your business and transforming the way that you work. So I prefer Asana because it is simple to use, yet powerful enough to run your entire business when optimized. So if you're a business owner feeling like you have no time, it's time to take a step back and evaluate your systems and processes. By implementing effective systems and learning how to delegate, you can regain control of your time and focus on what you love to do. Ready to systemize your business? Watch this video next to learn how. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.